Here are 7 common Cox cable problems and how to fix them. 1. Poor signal strength. This can cause a range of issues from pixelated or frozen pictures to lost channels. You can try checking your cable connections to make sure they are secure and undamaged. If that doesn't work, try resetting your cable box by unplugging it for 30 seconds and then plugging it back in. 2. Slow internet speeds. This can be caused by a variety of factors such as interference from other devices, outdated hardware, or a weak Wi-Fi signal. Try restarting your modem and router, moving your router to a more central location, or upgrading your hardware. 3. No internet connection. Check if there is a known outage in your area. If not, try unplugging your modem and router for 30 seconds and then plugging them back in. If that doesn't work, try resetting your network settings on your device. 4. Cable box won't turn on. Check that the cable box is properly plugged in and that the outlet is working. If it still won't turn on, try resetting it by unplugging it for 30 seconds and then plugging it back in. 5. Remote control not working. Try replacing the batteries in the remote control. If that doesn't work, try resetting the remote by removing the batteries and holding down any button for 15 seconds. 6. On-demand content not working. Make sure you have a strong internet connection and that your cable box is connected to the internet. If that doesn't work, try restarting your cable box or contacting Cox customer service for assistance. 7. Channels missing or incorrect. Check your channel lineup to make sure you have the correct subscription package. If you do, try resetting your cable box or contacting. If none of these solutions work, contact us for customer support. Link in description box. Thanks for watching.